Yeah, something you don't see every day. The short bus here in Ukraine. But this is actually a bus full of road crew workers, and they're repairing the roads here. I'm just standing outside of Avalon, and just killing some time, taking a break from work. The working from home, you need to get up every once in a while and just go out and look around. You always see something a little bit interesting. But another thing I wanted to show was the garbage cans. So we have the garbage cans over here. So we have the cages, for the garbage. So it's all nice and neat, so the bears don't come at night and move the garbage cans around, throw garbage everywhere. Although I don't think they're bears, they're probably local alcoholics. Anyway, that's all.